Corollaries from rules. So first is from two particular premise, no conclusion can be drawn. No conclusion can be drawn from the two particular premise I O. There are four possible combination. It's I O, OI and OO. The fourth combination OO is invalid because both the premise are negative. The combination I does not distribute any term, therefore it will involve the fallacy of undistributed middle. From the combination IO and OI, syllogisms with these will commit either the fallacy of undistributed middle or fallacy of illicit measure. So here the rule is from two particular premise no conclusion can be drawn. Then second is if one of the premise is particular, conclusion will be particular. From that the possible combinations are these. Third is from a particular measure premise and a negative minor premise, no conclusion can be drawn. Means if the premise, measure premise means the first sentence, it is called the measure premise, it's a particular and the minor premise is negative, then from this also no conclusion can be drawn. Second question is write and explain the specific rules for each valid figure. Means here we have to write the figure 1. This is the structure of figure 1. Then we have to write its explanation, that in this figure the middle term stands on the subject as a subject in the measure premise and as a predicate in the minor premise. And we have to write the rules, then total combination, and from that the valid combinations. Then from these valid combinations, first is AA. It's a mood, means AA. And we have already seen the rules that when the measure premise is affirmative, minor premise is affirmative, then the conclusion must be affirmative. So according to that, AAA means it's a Barbara mood. We have to write in this way. And like this, we have to explain all these moods. Next is AI. So its conclusion will be I. So it's a Dari. Then EAE. It's Celerant. Then EIO. Ferio.